Hi, welcome to HardReset.Info channel. Now I'll show you how to set up NearBy share on your Motorola G71 5G. Okay, at the very beginning you need to open control panel. Then scroll right and tap and hold NearBy share button. Now you need to choose share more easily. Scroll down and choose agree. Now enable NearBy share and choose device visibility. Here choose to everyone, go back and choose preferred data usage mode. For example, Wi-Fi mode, Bluetooth mode, or data and Wi-Fi, mobile data and Wi-Fi mode. Now your device is visible for everyone, and I want to share the picture. For example, I'll take the picture, open this picture on another device and choose share. Choose share by NearBy share and my another device. Now we'll see our Motorola G71 5G. If your Motorola is not visible for everyone, you need to check is Bluetooth and Wi-Fi enabled, and if yes, you need to disable and enable again your Motorola NearBy share. Then you will see on another device your Motorola G71, open it, tap on it, and on your Motorola choose accept. Wait a while and fine. We have received our picture. So, thank you for watching, like this video, subscribe to our channel, and goodbye. See you.